Hey, it's Marko, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block location services on your iPhone. So basically you need to go to settings, and before I continue, please like, subscribe and share. It really helps out my channel. So first option is just to turn on and off your airplane mode, and the second way is to scroll down until we see privacy and security, and from here you can click on location services and turn this on. If you want to turn it off for a specific app, let's just find that app, for example camera, and I just click on never, and it will never share my location. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some questions or problems, let me know in the comments down below.